Today I'm gonna cook ginger shrimp fried rice on my induction cooker. I use olive oil because it is healthy. I know Chinese cooks won't use olive oil, they want to use peanut oil, I know, but olive oil for me. And here is garlic, lots of garlic that really brings out the wonderful smell in the fried rice. And today I'm going to add plenty of cut up fresh ginger. That is fresh ginger cut up nicely and sizzle sizzle. The ginger garlic aroma is so wonderful, and I put in shrimp, just 6 pieces. These are frozen shrimp which has been defrosted, of course. Add a little bit more oil, and the reason to do this is I want to make sure the shrimp is cooked first before I cook the rest. Shrimp, let's cook. Well, you can see that it's starting to stick. Alright, my induction cooker is set at 150 degrees Celsius. Now I put in these chopped up bits of cabbage just to give it the fried rice some crunch and let it sizzle alongside the shrimp. Very nice aroma from the garlic and ginger, and the shrimp cooks quite quickly, but just want to make sure it's thoroughly cooked and it will gradually turn orange. And I put a little bit more garlic. Take note, my video is on 2 times speed, just in case you wonder how my hand is moving so fast. So it's double speed that you're watching. And in goes the leftover rice. Yes, you heard it, leftover rice, brown rice, the leftover for one night in the fridge. Always nicer to use leftover rice for fried rice because it is drier. Now the duck concoction that I just added is leftover braised chicken from dinner the night before. There was some sauce in there, so you can see I never add salt to my fried rice because I just used the leftover gravy from last night's dinner. And now I'm preparing for the egg. Yes, the egg, which I didn't add any salt, any pepper and all that because all my other stuff have plenty of salt already. Let the egg sizzle a bit, and then I will just put the rice on the egg and stir. Starting to stick a bit more, but I think I've put enough oil, so I'll just keep stirring and pushing out, and it's already cooked. You can eat it, you know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the flame now, and stopped. Done. That's it. Ginger shrimp fried rice, very nice. And thank you for watching. This is my lunch. It's so healthy compared to buying fried rice from outside. My own home cooked fried rice. Yay, 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 yay. Wanna join me? Yeah, come. After portioning it out, I realized that the plate of fried rice was actually quite large, so since I'm on a kind of a diet, I shall not eat the whole thing at one go. Portion control, I will split this portion into half. Yep, I'll eat half for lunch and put the other half in the fridge, maybe for a snack or maybe lunch tomorrow or the day after. Fried rice keeps very well, so no problems. This is my lunch today. 3 pieces of shrimp fried rice egg, so delicious. Based on my calorie count, this is under 300 calories for this serving. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.